Hey folks, I've got number 663 to show you. This is a mini 5-string banjo. It's made of curly cherry and pistachio. And the customer really wanted a crazy pistachio fretboard and head plate, and it turned out really cool. These are graft lines here, sapwood there. Just a cool look. And I picked some crazy pistachio pieces for the rim cap too. Got a curly cherry for the rest of it. And lately, these curly cherry banjos, they're just some of the best sounding ones I make. I'm really pleased with them. It's got a goat skin head, and then the instrument is tuned to open G. So like a regular big banjo, I just have a special string set on here to get this little instrument tuned down to G well. And I love playing these, they're fun. It's like everything's mini, you know, even like the little mini frailing scoop there. I actually play these a lot myself, tuned up to A. I think you can tune to G or A with this string set, and it works great. And then you don't have to use a capo; you just tune up. So. Yeah, really fun. And I have another mini 5-string I'm going to string up later this week, so stay tuned. In the meantime, that is number 663. Ready to go. Cheers.